on work. So in any deviations, then make a review of documentations. You know that some we are working in a looking at Godrej Property Limited. There is criteria is defined. Every 3 months the risk assessment will be changed. Every 3 months, every quarterly risk assessment will be changed. What is different? What is main purpose? In any incident, near miss observation happen, then you have to change. So this is a good practice. Lot of problems is there whenever improving that time, that documentations formulation, but very difficult. But this is a positive things. If you are thinking positives, then this is a very good good initiative. Brainstorming. If you are brainstorming is a risk analysis. If you are going to any risk assessment at your workplace, make a group, make a people's safety meetings, make a conduct trainings, and ask them all of you what is the hazards, what is the risk assessment, so they can resolve and they can understand to some gap will be deviation and share to all other persons and make a gather all points and make a risk assessment. This is also good technique of risk assessment. After that, assumption analysis. Assumption analysis means you have to take a mails by video and by photography, so that all considers directly take a photograph. What is the deviations? Drawing system. Drawing by the this is a systems of this is a process and technique of risk analysis. Interview and interactions. If you are going to ask to some workers what is their problems, what you are need to be expectations in entire project, so that they persons also explain to you without any hesitation. So ask them time to times, interview, interactions with workers, in interactions with all electrical professionals, so that all professionals, constructions professionals may be chance of sometimes take a feedbacks and take an interview by the. After that, you are going to inspections checklist. That times maybe observe, maybe mind, think about the what is the risk profilings. There is some finding out, then need to be check of replace and review the risk assessment checklist. Historical data. You know that historical data means suppose that we are using a good technique of but horizontal deployments, means some others projects happen, some any incidents, some any observations, so that may be vertically entire projects share the share of horizontal deployments. This is always good technique of risk assessment. Normal group technique, make a group system, means that suppose the safety committee meetings, the safety committee members, and discuss in grouping. If any hazards you are going to reduce, you are going to risk profiling, then also discuss in your safety committee meeting as per you have to define that. Flooring in charting, some charting system you have make a proper safety poster. There some people ask to find out the risk assessment, find out hazards. This is a good technique of improvements health safety, good improvement of risk analyze. So guys, today we have completed 2-3 topic, means risk depend on hazards. Secondly, identifications of hazard and associated risk, and risk assessments, risk identifications tools and technique. This is a good things. If you are working as safety professional, you are all are aware about these things. If you are easy to risk assessment, but you are deeply gain knowledge and well experienced to expose the any interviews. Thanks guys, thanks for watching my video.